Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and lifestyle. So guys, I'm so excited for today's video because we are going for camping and today I will take you along with me for the packing and all the essential that you must carry when you go for camping trip. So I am going for camping with my family for the very first time. Previously just me and my husband went. So I have the whole list of things that we need to carry with ourselves because my in-laws, my kid, they are also going along with us. Okay, so let's take care of the personal items first, like toiletries, makeup essential, or whatever things that I personally need. Ignoring the mess behind, let's start with the packing. So for my personal essentials, like this body lotion, I absolutely love Nivea. Sunscreen, it's another essential when you are going for camping, it's must have. The next product is the face wash. I am taking this vitamin C, like it's a brightening cleanser. I already made a video about the like cleansers I absolutely believe in. So it's a mini size, works perfectly for travel. Even like this moisturizer is also a mini. I always say like invest in minis. This is lip balm that I'm carrying. It's Seattle London. It's a little bit of high-end product, but worth every single penny. I absolutely love it. This is like a coconut lip oil, so when you are like applying it, smells like coconut, like beautiful fragrance. And that I'm carrying some hair ties and clutcher, comes so handy. And for my makeup, I'm not carrying that many products, but I am carrying this concealer. Like I got two of these, like I called a backup for this one, but I think this will like do for my trip. This is very lightweight. I have been using this for years and I can't stop using this. So this works perfectly, especially when I have under eye dark circles right now. There is little bit of makeup on my face because I just finished shooting a video and you should go ahead and check out that video. I shop some $1 makeup products from Miss Shop and this video was like, you should go and check that video out. But for my concealer, I am taking this concealer, and other than that I'm taking my kajal, absolute must have. These are blush drops. I got it from Miss A shop. So this shade is so gorgeous and like especially on bare skin, this works so well. So little bit of tint for my cheek. And other than that, I'm carrying this like lipstick over here, lip gloss. I'm just wearing that on my lips right now. It's very natural, very soft, this. And along with this, I will carry one long lasting lipstick with me so that I don't have to touch up on my lipstick again and again. All of these toiletries and essential, my skincare, makeup, everything will go in this single pouch, and it's quite spacious. Like there is a lot of space, and like one small compartment is also there in this. So I will keep each and everything in this. My sunscreen, my face wash, my body lotion, lip gloss, blush, balm, kajal, and my concealer. This one I will keep it back. And other than that, these ties I will keep in the side pocket. Although I will carry one like handbag as well. Like I might exchange or like shift one or two things, but I think this will do. I can add more stuff in this bag. This is quite spacious. Got this cotton pads like pouch from Walmart. So I will keep 2-3 in my bag. Like if in any case I need it, 4-5 like cotton pads I will keep in my bag itself. If you are liking this pack with me so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, because I have seen many people watch my video but they haven't subscribed yet. I don't know why. So you can hit the subscribe button. So essentials, daily essentials, skincare and everything is sorted. Forgot to keep my like face moisturizer. For that I'm keeping this L'Oreal one. It's very little bit left, although it's of glass, but I still want to take this one with me because I'm using this right now and my skin is doing pretty good, so I don't want to jinx it. Although I have this option as well, like this also works so well for me, but this is quite big, so I will skip on this one, but I will take this L'Oreal one. And for my long lasting lipstick, I am taking this like NYX Lingerie Double XL. This is quite a big lipstick and I love the shade of this one. Let me swatch this for you guys. Like, this is such a beautiful shade. I love it. So these two will also go in my pouch. Like, again, then so okay, I think this should be it. So let's move on to the clothing part. Okay guys, let's move on. I'm also taking this tripod with me. I don't know how much I will be able to use it, but I want to keep it. And let's decide the dresses which I want to like take with me. So I recently bought some beach summer dresses and I'm thinking like which should I carry. So first I'm carrying this pink dress. This fits me so nicely and I love the fit of this one. So I'm thinking while going from home I will wear this because this will be very comfortable. It's around 2 hours of journey for us, and like this will be very comfortable. I will wear shorts under it. And other than that, I'm planning to take this dress. This is such a beautiful dress, guys. Like, it is little bit of backless, not much, but this is sort of a leopard print thing going on over here. And one more dress I'm keeping, like while coming back I can wear this one. So this is that dress. So I am trying to keep like 3 different patterns for my trip, like this while going. This on the second, we are going for 2 day, like 2 nights of stay. We are leaving on Friday. We'll stay there on Friday night and Saturday night, and then we'll be coming back on Sunday. So I need 3 set of clothes. One is for Friday, one is for Saturday, and this one I will like wear while coming back, or in case, like, let's see, like I will, should I keep one extra top? I'm not sure. I'm not, like, I might come back in my nightwear as well. We have to keep nightwear as well. But yeah, I like this dress. This is quite comfy. Like, while coming back, I can definitely wear this one. Oh, and yes, guys, I bought 2-3 things. I want to show it to you guys. One is this legging. This is a like simple little bit of design is there for this legging, but the material is like good if you want to go in water and you don't want to wear shorts. Like, there is a design at the side, if you see. So I bought this separately, like not for the beach particularly. This will look. And one more thing, I got these 2 anklets as well. Let me show you which one is suiting me the most. I really like this one. This is quite pretty. So this one is like, this is the first option that I can wear, and the second option is like this golden one. Let's see which one I will wear. So this one is also there. This is also so pretty. Like this one. Let's see, like I will decide on like that day itself which one I will wear and go, because I think I will wear only one and then I will not take another one because it might get lost. So, and for my nightwear, I'm thinking about keeping this Puma like pajamas, lowers. Yeah, it's quite comfortable. It's quite snuggly because I'm looking for something that cinches at the bottom. So this is what I'm looking for, because like it might be cold in the camping area in the night. So I need to keep one jacket as well. So on top of this, I will keep a very simple like t-shirt or one like black pajamas as well. Let's see. But this is very comfy and this has pockets as well, because I want to go for something that has pockets. So one is this. So we have everything over here. Like, I'm keeping everything over here to like carry with me so that I don't miss anything. So if it gets cold, I am taking this shrug with me. Like, I bought it, but I have never worn it. So I think tag will be still there. Yeah. See, tag is also still there. So I want to use this. It's quite snuggly, quite warm when you wear it, and I think this should do good for the night time. And I bought these socks as well, again from Walmart. This costed me somewhere around $13. So I will keep 2 pairs for the night, like in case I feel cold, and that will definitely happen because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है. So yeah, and other than that, if you are packing for camping, don't forget to keep your like normal big towels and as well as your small hand towel as well. And initially I was thinking I will keep my glasses, but I'm thinking like instead of glasses I will keep one cap. So I think caps look good on me. But like I can't wear anything on my head. I feel like really suffocated. This looks good. What do you guys think? I will keep it. Okay, so another essential is this mattress. We haven't opened it yet. So like the review for this one is yet to go up. We'll see over there how this will work for us. And we have ordered for yeah, other than that, don't forget to keep the blankets, bed sheets, and a beach mat. I recently bought a beach mat as well. Wait a minute, I will show you that one as well. Other than this, don't forget to keep the camping chairs in case there is not a sitting area where you are camping. The camping chairs come so handy. So I have made different lists like for my skincare, my toiletries, my clothes, and one more thing, yeah, where it went, yes, over here it is. Like I have this rope as well. This is to dry your clothes because we are going there for 2-3 times and we'll go in water. Like there is water nearby, so we are planning to go in water as well, so you can dry up your clothes. So this rope, this is quite good actually. Like let me show you the rope. This is the rope. There are so many like clips to like hang your clothes on, and it's like quite stretchable, so it can be stretched to a longer distance. So again, this is also a good deal if you are going for camping or any such areas. Again, the link for all the items will be definitely there in the description box, so don't forget to check out the description box. And other than that, guys, I was saying like I made so many lists, so I will add a like PDF or something like at the bottom in the description box to the different lists that I created. For example, clothes, even for the utensils that we are taking little bit with us, or the food items that we are packing. So everything, like I have made a proper list for everything. So there is a list of lists as well. Yeah, I know this sounds ridiculous, but that's there because when you are going for camping or any adventurous trip or with your family, it's better than you are like packed to the T. There you go, guys. I really hope this video was helpful, and I'm sure like the like list that I will be adding in the description box below will be so helpful for you guys if you are going for camping. Guys, camping vlog will also come. I will upload my camping vlog on my other channel. I am creating a new channel for my vlogs and all because I don't want to mash and like club everything together. So more on that, I'm planning to make a Q&A video as well. So more updates are there, like more I'm planning to make more content. So yes, like I will leave the link of the channel in the description box as well if I have created it like already. I don't know, I'm like अभी कुछ नहीं सोचा है. Like things are all like in process and I'm thinking about so many things. Let's see कि मैं कितना कर पाती हूँ, क्या कर पाती हूँ. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me for this pack with me for camping. Like I had so much fun. Now I will keep all these things that I have gathered over here in the suitcase. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and share this video with your friends. If somebody is going for camping, this video might be helpful for them. I will see you in my next video. Bye.